good news about Jesus as according to John, chapter 10, from verse 1 to verse 21. The shepherd and him sheep them. Jesus say, me I tell you no, for true, say the somebody when I come in at the sheep pen through the gate, but we climb go in there one next way, that's somebody there, a thief and robber. The one we go in the pen through the gate, him are the sheep them shepherd. The one we watch over the sheep gate, open the gate for the shepherd, and the sheep them hear the shepherd voice. The shepherd call for him owner sheep them by them name, and him lead them out. When him take out all of him sheep, him go in front of them, and the sheep them follow him, cause them pick up him voice. Them now go follow back a stranger. Them run away from him, cause them not pick up stranger voice. Jesus did not tell them one story, but they nay understand what him did say to them. So him said to them again, say, me I tell you no, for true, say that me at the gate where the sheep them go through. Anybody else will come before me, a thief and robber, but the sheep them never listen to them. Me at the gate. If anybody come in through me, them a go save. Them a go walk in and walk out, and them a go find place with nice green grass for nyam. The thief come hungry for thief, for kill, and for mash up. Me come so that they can live life and no want nothing at all. Me are the good shepherd. The good shepherd will give up him life for the sheep them. The somebody where get paid for look after them and no shepherd. They no own the sheep them. So when time that somebody there see wolf a come, him run go where left the sheep them. Then the wolf come up on the sheep them and make them scatter. The somebody where get paid for look after his sheep them run away, cause he hungry business about the money. Him not care about the sheep them. Me are the good shepherd. Me know me own a sheep them, and me sheep them know me. Same like how the Father know me, and me know the Father. And me give up my life for my sheep them. Me have other sheep when you're in the pen ya. Me have to carry them in the pen too. Them are going to listen to my voice too. So then, you're going to have only one group of sheep and only one shepherd. My Father love me because me give up my life so that me can come back alive. Nobody not take away my life from me. And me give it up myself. Me have the power to give it away, and me have the power to take it back. And this year, my Father tell me to do. When the Jew leader them hear what Jesus say, them start argue with them one another again. Enough of them say, him have one demon in him, and him thief tone mad. We no listen to him for. But some other ones say, this kind of teaching you no come from somebody who have demon in them. Demon can't make blind people see. And God Wod Dis. Thank God.